show you how to play. I'm gonna take the app first. Oh, this is instruction. But the other one, there we go. So these are instructions. Instruction. Oh, there are lots. Compared to the size. Hang on. That is a sand timer.
I think it's a sand clock.
Sand clock. Okay, I'm gonna show you. When the sand timer runs out, you can don't do it. If it run out, see it's run out.
You mean start now?
Yes. Oh, I'm gonna make like this. I'm gonna make like this.
Okay.
All done. And then you have to hit the bell when you're done.
Okay.
This one is played for 2 people. Or I mean 2 children.
Mm-hmm.
Or 2 adults.
Yeah.